So today I've got this new product from Ruroc, as you can see, and I can't wait to open it here in front of you. Let's check it out. Design from Ruroc. They upgraded their packaging this year, and wow, just look at this organization. It's perfect. Alright, let's get straight to it. So we got this, and we got a dark visor. So let's get to business. Wow, this just looks amazing. Which one do you like better? The core or the raw carbon? This thing is beautiful. Wow, and right off the bat you can see the interior is just 100 times better. It's so nice and it feels so premium. I need to try this as soon as possible. Wow. It looks perfect. So in this version of Ruroc, there are a lot of updates that I've done. They eliminated the wind openings like the old version. You don't have that anymore, so it will help with the noise reduction, wind noise reduction. And the interior is just another level. It looks so premium, it feels so premium. I love this. Wow. And they got this mechanism here you can open and close for the air to enter the helmet. And you've got this inside as well, behind the chin. I'm not sure if you can see that. And wow, it just looks premium, it just looks nice, and it smells good as well. And I'm a big fan of carbon fiber, and I just love this raw carbon. It feels so rich and feels so still. I love it so much. Alright, I'm gonna try this on now. Wow, this feels so good. It's so stable on the head and feels very firm on your face, but not uncomfortable. I can totally feel the difference in quality, especially with the interior. The interior is just perfect. It feels so premium, and I'm gonna give you a full review after I try this helmet out on the road and see how it compares with the wind reduction, with the wind noise. So stay tuned for that video. And I guess this is just like a first impression and then unboxing of the new 4.0 Ruroc. This is the raw carbon. I just love it. Let me just get closer so you can see the carbon fiber. So I'm a big fan of carbon fiber, and this just took it to another level. So I guess this will be my daily helmet from now on. And as soon as I do some rides with this helmet. I'm gonna let you know how it feels, how it compares with the older models. So stay tuned to that, and I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It will help this channel out a lot. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Peace.